Welcome back, guys. In this video we're going to be restoring this hatchet hammer type thing. One of you guys leave a comment on what the heck this thing is called down below. I'm not sure what it's called, but leave a comment and that'd be great. We're going to be restoring it in this video, so let's get started. Alright, we're just going to go into it a little bit better detail so you guys can see it a little better. The handle looks like it must have been something like oak or hickory something. We're going to get rid of the handle entirely. Well, I'm going to re-quench it. So we're going to heat it up, re-quench it, do a ton of grinding. I don't like how this back end is. We're going to reshape that up a little bit. I might get rid of this because I don't really like it, and I don't really want it to be like some nail puller tool anymore. You know, I want it to be a little cooler, so I'm probably going to buzz in there. The nail grinder, get a little better shape, maybe drop it down, make it more like a tomahawk shape. But this is what we're looking at right now. So this is the before, and let's start working on it. Alright, now what we're going to do is we're just trying to whack out that little piece of wood in there, and I think it should come fairly easy just because how old it is. So we have it set up in the vise. Oh yeah, it's going to work. And there we go. It's out. Alright, it's all the way out. Here's the handle, the cutoff. It's old, it's junky, it's been beat up, you know. But the steel's still good. Inside the steel is still good. We got a good eye right here. I really like the design of this thing. We just need to change it up a bit. Real fast before we start grinding, I just want to point out that the new merch is here. So it's our new design. It's sweet. It's on our Teespring store. There's a link down below if you want to go get some. And then please like the video and subscribe if you hadn't. And then feel free to leave a comment. And let's start grinding. Alright, so we're actually in the new shop now. If you haven't seen that video, there's a card just right up there. Click on it. And then come back to this one. We're in the new shop. And that's where we're going to be grinding. Here it is. It's pretty sweet, still super messy, but now we can start grinding, and we're actually going to angle grind the end of it real fast, so that's what we're going to do. Okay, we've got our profile how we want it. We did some grinding on the back too. And we knocked out that little thing. So now we're going to throw it in the forge, re-harden it, and get it all black. Get rid of that rust too. And then we're not gonna cool off the eye or the hammer end, and we're gonna let that residual heat seep down, and it'll temper the blade, so we don't have to temper it. We just can't let it too much though. Okay guys, what we're gonna do now is we're gonna take this wire wheel and the angle grinder, and we're just gonna go over all the surfaces and just kind of wire brush it up and make it look a lot better. Alright guys, we wire brushed it all over, and we're going to be using this wood for the handle. Let's go over to the bandsaw and get started on that. Okay, so this is what we're looking at right now. We have the handle cut out, and this is how far the eye is going to go down right here. And then, I don't know if you guys can see that good, there you go. That's where we're going to have to trace it out. So we need to start cutting it, so we're going to cut it on the bandsaw more. Alright guys, we're going to start shaping our handle right now for the eye and the rest of it. We're using these files and rasps because Andrew's at the grinder right now with the cleaver, so we can't do that. And we don't have a draw knife. We're going to be making a draw knife soon, but right now we're just going to be using the files. Alright guys, we got it pretty well fit up. We still need to shape our handle. You can see the eye there. It's looking pretty good, so now we're just going to start shaping the actual handle part. We had the handle shaped how we want it on the grinder, so now we're just going to do a little bit of hand sanding to finish it up. Okay guys, we've hand sanded it. So now we just need to cut a little slot along here for our wedge to go in. Okay, it's time to fit up the handle. And yes, I did shave myself bald. dumb decision, but me, Wesley, and Andrew, we all did it. So, you know, you gotta do what you gotta do. We can't look like idiots now, but that's alright. Okay, we're gonna put some wood glue on it at first. This just help hold it on a lot, and it'll actually help it slide into place easier too. I'm going to be scooping it out. As you guys can see, we also made a leather sheath for it. I really like this design. This thing turned out amazing. Alright guys, thanks so much for watching this video on how we restored this Tomahawk hatchet thingy hammer. I had a lot of fun making it and I think it looks amazing. Make sure you go check out our merch. It also looks amazing. Go check that out. I'm bald. Not quite, but probably shouldn't have shaved myself bald. Kind of dumb. Buzz cut, but it's summer. And please like this video, leave a comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you guys later. Bye.